I got a window screen that has a tear too big to mend with a small patch of replacement screening. I think it's about time to remove the old screen and replace it with a new one. I'll need window screen, spline pack, spline roller, scissors, masking tape, utility knife, flathead screwdriver, straight pick, masking tape helps to hold the frame steady. That makes the work easier. Straight pick can be used to pick the old spline out of window frame. There are different sizes of spline available on the market. I took a measure of my old spline. It was 0.175 inch. So I bought a pack of 0.175 inch spline from Amazon.com. Spline roller tool got a convex, rounded edge roller at one end and a concave, grooved edge roller at the other end. The concave side of the spline roller tool can help to roll the spline with screen fabric into the frame groove. The convex side of the spline roller tool can help to push the screen fabric into the frame groove. To start my work, I place screen frame on a flat surface such as table, remove any existing spline and the old screening. Tape the outside edges of the frame to the flat surface. Be careful not to put tape over the spline groove. Lay screen fabric over frame, align squarely and overlap at least 1.5 inch on all sides. Beginning from the corner, use the spline roller tool, roll the fabric into the screen frame groove. Press the spline securely into the groove. Be sure to hold the fabric straight while rolling. Push the spline into each corner using a screwdriver. Using utility knife, trim any excess spline and screen from the frame. Make sure to cut toward the outside edge of the spline groove to prevent damage to the newly installed screen fabric. It took me about 25 minutes to complete this task.